Hello, welcome to the class of HTML5. So today we are going to discuss about visual elements. So here in this class we are discussing about these visual elements like figures element and fig caption element. So let's discuss about this. So in here in this program in head section I declare the style element, and in between style element I use this figure selector and the fig caption. So this figure selector is used to design a image in the browser. So here you can see that in figure selector I declared the width, then its border, then its padding properties. After that in fig caption I have styled the font family, then text alignment, then font weight and the color of this fig caption. So coming to the body section, for declaring the image part I have used this figure element. So this is the opening figure element and this one is the closing tag for that. So here I declare the image, its source, then image name, then its width, height and its alternate name. And in figure caption I have declared its name, that is Mickey Mouse. So it will be declared by giving fig caption name in opening tag and fig caption name in the closing tag. So let's see how it will display in the browser. So go to run and then launch in Chrome. So it will display the figure like this. So here this figure element specify self-contained content like illustrations, the diagram, images, photos, etc. So this element is new to the HTML5 programming. Here the fig caption element is used to add the caption for the figure or the image element. So here you can see that with the figure selector I use the declaration starting with width. So it will decide the width of this image. After that it declaring the border property by adding its width, then its style and then its color. And in padding property I have here it will style the space required between the content and this HTML border. And in figure caption I defined the font element, font family, how to design this font, that is this, and the text alignment must be in center and its weights and its color. If you change the padding property, like here I am writing 10, and let's save the program and refresh the browser. So you can see that the space between the HTML text and the border increases. So it will, if you increase this value, that is that if you declare here 10 and save it and refresh it, so the width of this border will increase. So in this way we can use this figure and fig caption visual elements in HTML. After that we are going to discuss about the next HTML5 element, that is meter element. So here I designed this program for declaring this meter element. So the meter element defines a scalar measurement within a known range or a fractional value. This is also known as a goes. So here the meter element is new to the HTML5 programming. So you can see that here I declare this meter element in body section. This is the meter opening tag and this one is the closing tag, and in between meters opening tag I have declared its value, its minimum range and then its maximum range. And after that I declare the text and then the BR for the break element to come to the next line. So now you can save it and go to run and launch in Chrome. So here you can see that it will display the meter element like this in the browser. So here you in first meter element you have declared the value to be 9000 and its minimum value starts from 0 and goes up to the 10,000s. And With that, it's displaying a text that is now 9,000 students study for the gaining current jobs. So this is the report that's declaring the reason for student study. So here it's showing that 900 students are studying for gaining current jobs, 4,000 are studying for their higher qualifications, and 3,800 are studying due to interest in subject. So it will display this bar graph for these studies. So in this way you can declare the meter element. So the meter element is configured by using this attribute, that is value attribute, the minimum attribute and the maximum attribute. Thus meter element provide a handy way to display a bar chart on a web page. So this is about the meter element or the meter visual element in HTML. So now next we are going to discuss about the next visual element, that is the progress element. So here I designed this program to declare the progress element. So this HTML5 progress element represents the progress of a task. So it displays a bar that depicts a numerical value within a specified range. Like here I declared the in body section, the heading section, heading element named giving its content in between. After that I declare this progress element here. So this is progress opening tag and this one is the closing tag. And in progress opening tag I have declared its giving its attribute, value attribute and the maximum attribute. So value, it will set the value of the progress, and the maximum will decide the highest possible value. Let's run this program and see how it will display in the browser. Go to run and then launch in Chrome. So it will display like this in browser. So it is giving the heading, this one is the heading. After that it's showing the progress value and then the paragraph. So if you will change the value from here, like you are giving the value 22, and now save the program and refresh the browser. So here you can see that the progress value will reduces. If you reduce or this maximum value to 50 and save the program, now refresh the browser, so it will change the size of this bar chart. So in this way we can declare the visual element, that is the figure element, meter element and progress element in HTML program. Thank you.